make sure you shorten your what? Your answers, right? So that you can understand. Don't read. So give 5 ways. Now give the next person. Give 5 ways in which Old Testament prophets communicated God's message to the people. How did they communicate their message? Read question 4C. Read the question.
The Old Testament prophets communicated God's message to the people.
Yes. How did they communicate their message? How did they get their message to the people? Now they've already received God's message, so they are taking it to the people. How did they do it? Through what?
Symbolic actions.
Yes, symbolic actions.
They wrote down the message.
Yes. Through?
They wrote down their message. They sent letters.
Yes.
They prophesied the future.
Yes.
They gave sermon speeches.
Yes.
They held contests.
They had contests. Yes. They also did what? There are songs that you've not mentioned.
They sent their servant to others.
Yes, they sent their servants.
They used their lifestyles.
Sorry?
They used their lifestyles.
Yes, they used their lifestyles.
They performed miracles.
Yes, miracles.
New songs,
Songs.
poems, lyrics.
Yes, true. But most of you are telling me about parables. Only Jesus used parables. I don't know what you get. So what I discovered is you should read the question and understand. Question 5A.